There's now a better way to enjoy our favorite shows on TV, thanks to PLDT Home Life. After the successful launch of the Stream TV a few years back, PLDT Home Life is back with the new Stream TV Plus. For those unfamiliar with PLDT Home Live Stream TV Plus, it's essential an all-in-one entertainment solution that users simply plug and play into their TV. Not only does it offer seamless access to our favorite apps like Netflix, HBO Max, and Disney Plus, but it also enhances the user's experience with 4K visuals and a built-in Bang & Olufsen speaker system with Dolby Atmos. But how does it help improve the viewing experience? Let's find out in this video. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's first talk about what Stream TV Plus is. As mentioned earlier, it's an all-in-one entertainment system that users plug into a socket and into their televisions with an HDMI port. Given its relatively compact size, it doesn't take up too much space either. Not to mention, it also looks nice too. And we're sure it will match the setup of your living room or theater room, depending on where you eventually install it. Since it's a plug-and-play device, users can quickly set up the device and download all of the streaming services they want, as it runs on Android TV. Log into your Google account when setting up, and it's pretty much good to go. It's perfect for those who don't have a smart television and don't want to upgrade their TVs anytime soon. Aside from giving users access to Android TV and all the apps available to download, the PLDT Stream TV Plus also enhances the viewing experience with 4K support and Dolby Vision. Dolby Vision enhances the color and contrast of the show for a more cinematic experience. But of course, the TV also has to be 4K capable to achieve the true 4K quality. Aside from the viewing experience, Stream TV Plus comes up big in the listening department. It features 3 built-in speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen, which provides the viewers with a more immersive viewing and listening journey. There's a great soundstage. Users can also choose what kind of audio profile they want and adjust it accordingly in the settings, depending on the kind of show or movie they are viewing. Just want to chill out and listen to music? That's possible too. There's an app on Stream TV Plus that allows users to pair their phones to the device, effectively turning it into Bluetooth speakers. Alternatively, users can also boot up Spotify from the device and jam out with friends. In addition, Stream TV Plus also features Wi-Fi 6, which give users the ability to take advantage of their high-speed internet connection. For reference, not all TVs have fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, especially those with older units. With Stream TV Plus, users can be sure that there will be no buffering when watching their favorite series or movies in 4K. Well, that's assuming your internet connection is up to speed. But that will be a problem if you're using a PLDT home fiber connection. To give everyone an idea of how easy it is to set up the Stream TV Plus, we recently installed one in the Yugatech HQ. From unboxing the device to getting up and running took no more than 10 minutes. All we needed to do was connect it to a Wi-Fi and log into our Google account. The interface and menu are simple to use, making it user-friendly for all ages. The remote also features a button to quickly access Netflix, Lionsgate Play, and YouTube, making it even easier to use. Not to mention, there's a built-in microphone, which is accurate at deciphering what users say. It's perfect for those who are too lazy to type the title into the search menu. Instead, just search for what you want by clicking the microphone button on the remote, control the TV with just your voice. With PLDT Home Live Stream TV Plus, users can definitely make their viewing experience at home a lot more comfortable and enjoyable. For those curious about the price, users can get it on top of their existing PLDT home fiber plan. There are 3 options to choose from. The first is one-time payment of 10,990 pesos per Stream TV Plus device. The others are a lot lighter on the wallet. 549 pesos per month for 24 months or 399 per month for 36 months. It's reasonable price to pay for something that can greatly improve the quality of your smart home. We definitely enjoy using the Stream TV Plus at the Yugatech HQ to watch our favorite series on the TV after work, maybe even during work.
Wait a minute!
And we think it would be a great addition to your home for family time and watching with friends. But what do you guys think about the PLDT Home Live Stream TV Plus? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our socials. That's FB, IG, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Brian, and I'll see you guys on the next one.